Hey everybody, Mike Nelson, CEO, Efficient Lending Incorporated, coming to you with a great topic. Reno Loans are back, and these are 3 things that you need to know. All right, what are Reno Loans? Well, Reno Loans were around, really pretty prevalent, and people were talking a lot about them prior to the pandemic, and then the market conditions of the past couple years really kind of put them on the back burner a little bit. But Reno Loans are for purchase or refinance, and they are what they say, renovation. So they're targeted to older properties or distressed properties that may need some upgrades, like say, for example, elderly property, and they need ramps for wheelchair access, something of that nature. So what you do is, let's say you're looking to purchase a new home, and you see a great property you love, but it might be a little bit older, or it's in need of an update, appliances, bathrooms, flooring, things of that nature. Well, you can use a renovation loan to incorporate the cost of those repairs into the loan that you're closing. So they're great loans because you may be able to find a really good deal on a house that's on the market. It's been sitting there, and all of a sudden you love the home, but you want a new kitchen. This is a loan that you'd want to think about. So who offers them? Well, FHA has a product. You may have hear it commonly known as the 203K loan. Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, VA, USDA all have their renovation products. And guys, they all have caveats and criteria for qualification, things that are incorporated, like you have to use a general contractor, you need a bid, we need to understand the costs associated with the renovations. We need to understand the appraised value after the repairs. So there's some fixes to them, and there's some things that you need to know, but they're great opportunities in this market as the market continues to improve for us here in 2023. So number 3, what are the next steps? Well, give me a call. Let's chat. Let's understand which product might be best for you and how you might use it in your home search or refinance and improving your existing home. And then we go through the application process, get it squared away, and move on to funding, and you can commence with your repairs. So the 3 things that you need to know: what are they, who offers them, and what are the next steps? So obviously call me anytime. I'd love to chat with you about this exciting product. I wish you the best of success in 2023, and as always, thanks for checking out my content online.